Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe Elite. Stock reference number 4973. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 9th month 2009. It has a G6 DB, 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G6 DB, 3.3 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, as does the right front door, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player with tape deck, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.